So for our problem, we want to know the area of the entire shape. We're given a few numbers, the perimeter of the whole shape and the perimeter of the rectangle. One thing I see here is for a small rectangle, we know that the total perimeter is 17. So we know this length and this width of this one rectangle is going to be 8.5, which is half of the perimeter that we've been given. I also see length and width over here. This is also going to be 8.5. We know that the entire perimeter is 39, so we can take 39 and subtract the 17, which is this plus this, and that gives us 22. Now 22 is here all the way to there, and here going around to there. Being that these are all congruent, we can just half 22 to find the perimeter of this. That tells us that this is 11, and the perimeter here. This is also 11. Now that we have this, you can see that from right here, here to here is the length, and here to here is the width. Actually, sorry, wrong direction, here we go. We want to know this. We want to know this and this. We know that this is the length and that's the width, so length minus the width, since these are all congruent, will tell us what this little guy is. So we do 11 minus 8.5, and that gives us 2.5. So this length is 2.5, this length is 2.5. And we have to also remember that 2.5 is the difference between the length and the width, because this is the length, here's the width, and this is the difference between the two. Now from here, if we want to find the area of an individual rectangle, we know that is length times width. So we know the difference, and we know that they need to add up to 8.5. So you can say width plus another width plus 2.5 is equal to 8.5. And now the width plus 2.5 is coming from here. We know that together, this is essentially the length. So this is telling us the width plus the length is this. So we can simplify this to width plus width is equal to 6. So you subtract 2.5, subtract 2.5. So we know that the width is equal to 3. Now from here we know that the difference between the length and the width is back to here, our 2.5. So if we take our width and we add 2.5, that'll give us the length. So length is equal to 5.5. Now that we have this, we can find the area of each of these 4 rectangles. So for one rectangle, we will do 3 multiplied by 5.5, which is equal to 16.5. So we know that the area here is 16.5. We also know that we have 3 more rectangles. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our area of this rectangle, 16.5, and we're going to multiply it by 4 to give us the area of the entire shape. So we come back over here, we're going to do 16.5 multiplied by 4, and that gives us 66. And 66 is the area of this entire shape.